Okay, I made this in Cursor. It is a Satisfactory flowchart database thing. It's actually just like a gallery for these graphs called Mermaid graphs. So you can ask LLM to generate these for any purpose. So you can go in here and paste it in, and then save to gallery. Factory 1, and then it's in the gallery now. And then I'm going to go and do the rest of these as well. 2, and then 3, factory 3, and then 4. Yep, save, factory 4. And now, in our gallery, we have all of these Satisfactory flowcharts that we just made from asking an LLM. Basically, like, you can just ask it how to lay out or build something, and it will give you the layout, and then you can put it into this gallery. Now all I need to do is make it easier to browse. So I guess you could easily like inspect. Maybe not. Maybe that's not that easy. But you could always just zoom in. What do you say? We'll zoom in. There you go. But yeah, we'll add more features to this later. But that's kind of a cool thing that I made with Cursor today. Is a Mermaid Flowchart creator and browser. Enjoy.